A lot many people find practicing meditation challenging. If you are one among them, I suggest you start with a meditation technique known as body scanning. This video explains 5 reasons why this technique is ideal for beginners or struggling meditators. First, let us understand what body scanning is. For some, the term may remind the grim image of a medical procedure going under high-tech scanning devices to confirm or rule out health issues. However, the tool used in this meditation is not any external device, but just one's awareness. The Buddha, who invented this technique 2500 years ago, called it Kayanupasana or mindfulness of the body. His purpose was to help understand the impermanence of the body, cultivate the equanimity of the mind, and eventually attain liberation. In today's modern world, this technique is taught in 2 prominent meditation systems. The first one as Vipassana meditation, keeping the original purpose of the Buddha intact, and the second one as mindfulness meditation to help deal with the modern day problem of stress and stress-related health issues. Studies have been constantly confirming effectiveness of these systems in reducing stress and thereby improving the overall physical and mental health of practitioners. Now, a little more on why choose body scanning and not something else. To begin with, this technique is incredibly simple. There is no requirement of complex rituals, mental or physical, nor any elaborate preparation. We settle down in a minute or so and just move our attention systematically all over the body. During this attention movement, we observe bodily sensations without reacting to it. Practically, it goes like this. Suppose you experience pain in some part of your body as your attention falls on it. Then you don't let the mind start a monologue over it, wondering why it is so painful. Will it aggravate? Then I may need a massage or a pill perhaps, and so on. Instead, you just acknowledge that there is pain and then move your attention over to the next spot on your body. It is that simple. Apart from this, there are 5 significant reasons in favor of this technique. The first one is body scanning is in conformity with the mind's natural tendency for movement. We don't focus on a single point here. Instead, we keep moving our attention over different parts of the body. So, no tension is created, either in the body or in the mind. The second reason, when we intentionally start moving our attention through the body, we begin to get a handle on the mind. Over time, the unruly mind becomes more and more amenable to our will. The third reason, we just observe and acknowledge any sensation under our attention objectively, even if the sensation is painful. Ideally, only 2 parts of us, awareness and felt sensations, are involved. The mind remains passive even though thoughts come and go. As a result, the brain remains in a relatively restful state. This is the reason we feel refreshed at the end. The fourth reason, we observe bodily sensations without judgment or reaction. It means we don't develop an aversion towards a painful sensation and we don't feel an urge to escape from it. Similarly, when we experience a pleasant sensation, we don't hold on to it. This is how a sense of equanimity is developed, a balanced mind. This will make us acknowledge everything as it is, even in the outside world, without getting emotionally disturbed. And the fifth reason in favor of this technique, during meditation, we are in touch with the whole of our being, including the body. It means we are more in tune with ourselves. This will make us more grounded, with enhanced self-awareness. This can propel us for deeper self-discovery through other meditation systems, which is again an amazing inner journey. Now you have a broad understanding of body scanning as a way of meditation and some of its impacts on the practitioner. Hope this will inspire you to start or strengthen your meditation practice. Thank you for watching.